Hi everyone, Carol here from Infraspeak. Today I'll guide you through the second and third steps of a work order lifecycle by showing you how to manage and close your work orders. In this example, we'll use your standard light bulb failure, and we'll start with the approval and assignment of a work order through our web interface. Here's what the service provider sees. In this menu, on the left here, select the work orders option and search for the light bulb issue on the list. If you prefer, you can also simply use the navigation filters or the search bar. Once you've found it, choose the work order and open it. Being a contract manager, you might also have to assign it to someone manually. To do so, scroll down on the work orders and in the people section, assign or remove a given user or contact, a customer for example, if you want him or her to have access to the issue. Now to assign a new user, click on the Add User button, and assign a new contact, click on the Add Contact button. To delete users, go to the specific work order and click on the X button for the user or contact you want to remove. Now it's time for the technician to show some skills and start solving the problem. For this part of the operation, we'll move into Infraspeak's mobile app. Once logged in, proceed to work orders and select your work order you want to start. Then, in the work order page, click on the first option and start work order. Once you do this, the work order status will change into in resolution, and all inherent tasks will be visible and can be executed by selecting tasks on this location. If none is listed, you can simply create new tasks. Usually, the best way for a technician to prove that the problem has been solved is to add one or more photos of the final result directly through the app. To add photos to the work order, select Documents and Photos. Note that if you're accessing this button for the first time, a system message may appear requesting access to photos, media, and files on your device. If this happens, just select Allow. Now, to add a photo, click on the bottom right-hand corner with a plus sign on it. Select the document, photo, or file you want to add. Once the photo has been added, it will appear on the documents list within the work order. Another useful feature is the messaging tool within work orders. With messaging, it's possible to team up with managers, technicians, and even clients to easily communicate any progress regarding the issue they are working on. In the work order page, scroll down and click on the message button. Here, you may add a text by clicking on Write Message. If the lock is closed, you'll publish a private message to be seen only by the admins, managers, or technicians. If the lock is open, the public message will appear to users and contacts. This means that this will be visible on Infraspeak's Direct as well. Once you have typed and sent the message, it will appear on the message section within the work order. You also may want to track extra costs such as materials bought at the local drugstores, meals, or car parking. To do so, go to the work order, scroll down and click on Other Costs, followed by Add Costs. Before adding the cost itself, you may select the type of cost you want to add. Once you have selected the cost, type such material, for instance. You need to add the value and you need to may also add a description. Once you finish, click on Save a Cost and the extra cost will be added to the list. If you want to go a little deeper on it, it is also possible to register materials used through our stock module. If you want to know how to do it, just check the description below and learn more about this topic. To pause a work order, go to the work order you want to pause. Select it and click on the Close or Pause work order. In the new screen, open the first drop-down list and select Pause. On the second drop-down list, you may choose one of the reasons available to pause the work order. Once you fill in the information, click the Pause button and on the bottom of your screen. The work order status will change from in resolution to paused, and you'll be able to confirm it in the list below. Remember that work orders may be paused due to different reasons, and some are already created by default while others may be created according to your needs. Again, if this is something you want to learn more about and find out more information on this topic in the description of this video. Let's move on to how to solve a work order. In work orders, go to the one you want to solve, click it, and then select Close or Pause option. You'll then be able to select your completion status, successful or with defects. Once you submitted all of the information, click Close on the bottom of the screen. The work order status will change from in resolution to closed, and you'll be able to confirm it in the list below. And we've reached today's last and final step, validation and confirmation of a work order resolution. Go to the top left-hand corner and click Confirm. Once you've clicked it, a check mark will appear and work order will be validated. And that's it. You are now ready to start attending your corrective maintenance. I hope you enjoyed this clip, and as always, you can check more relevant information and links in the description, and make sure to hit that subscribe button for the videos like this. Stay tuned for our next episode and keep watching for the clip's pro tip. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye. If you want to make your operation smarter, you can count on Infraspeak to do some of the work for you. In the light bulb failure we've just demonstrated, you could actually configure Infraspeak to automatically assign the issue to someone or to a group of people with a certain technical skill. In this case, someone tagged as electrician, for example. Find more details on this and other instructions in the description below. See you soon. Thank you.